The library catalog can tell you everything that the library owns and where it is located. You can access the library catalog from any computer in the library. In this tutorial, you will learn how to search for books by title, author, and keyword, how to search for books on your AR level, how to read the results screen to find the call number and determine whether the book is checked out or checked in, how to use the call number to find the book in the library. To search the catalog, find the library catalog icon on your desktop. It looks like this, a blue happy face. Double-click the icon to open the Kids Viz library catalog. Let's begin with a simple search. The search box located in the top right corner of the screen is where you enter the words to describe the kind of book you want to find. Sometimes you know the title of the book, sometimes you know the author, and sometimes you just know the subject you want to read about. You can type any of those in the search box. For example, if I want to find out if we have any books about insects, I just need to type that word in the search box. Notice that as I type, a pop-up list of terms that match what I am searching for appears. If I see one that matches my interest, I can click on it. That can be really helpful if you aren't sure how to spell the word. Once I choose the word, the catalog looks for all the titles that match my term, and I get a list of materials the library owns about insects. At the top of the search results, you will notice there is a green bar. This tells you how many titles my search found. In this case, there are 69. Let's look at the first result. The title is here in red, Insects. I know it's a book because there's a book icon over here on the right. It is checked in, and there are 2 copies available. I can also read a brief summary about the book here, and I can see that it is an AR book because it has an AR level. This one is on AR 2.2. Great, but how can I find this wonderful book about insects? The call number, of course. The call number is like the book's address. If you want to go to a friend's house, you have to know the address to find it, right? Well, books in the library are the same way. Call numbers are different depending on the zone in the library. Let's review the zones of the library and how they are indicated in the call number. Call numbers for easy books begin with an E for easy. Call numbers for biographies begin with a B for biography. Call numbers for ready reference books begin with REF for reference. Call numbers for fiction books begin with an F for fiction. Call numbers for nonfiction books begin with a number. Remember that the number is based on the Dewey Decimal Classification of books by subject using 10 categories. This book's call number is 595.7 POD. Because it begins with a number, I know it is a nonfiction book. Nonfiction books are organized by numbers, so I can find this book by going to the 500s area of the nonfiction shelf. Now let's try looking for a book by a favorite author. Click back in the search box, type the author's first and last name, and I'll use the drop-down list again to choose the author's name as it appears in the catalog. Again, I can read the titles in red, check the status to make sure the book is available, look at the AR level, and read a brief summary about the book. And here's the call number. The F lets me know this book is on the fiction shelves, but remember our fiction books are also organized by genre. Because this call number doesn't include a genre label, then it is in the realistic fiction section. If I scroll down to the bottom of this list, here's a book with a call number that does include a genre label, fantasy. That means that I will find this book in the fantasy section of the fiction shelves. Now let's try looking for a book by title. Type the title words in the search box, choose it from the list, and scroll down and find the one that has the book icon. This one is a videotape. This book is in, and so I look at the call number. The E lets me know that it is an easy book. I know the easy books are shelved by AR level, so I can check the AR level at the bottom of the record or in the call number. This book will be on the 4.4 shelf in our library. Sometimes you want to search for a book by its AR level. To do this, click on the open book icon, type the lowest reading level you want to include in the first box. Type the highest reading level you want to include in the second box. And in the last box, type a keyword that describes what you would like to read about. Then click Search. That's it. Now you know how to search the catalog and use the call number to find the book on the shelf.